Married people, when it comes to your money, join your bank accounts. Yeah, if you can share a bed, if you can share genetics with little children running around, you can share your money. Don't sweep issues under the rug and just live separate lives.
Rachel says it so well. If you can share a bed, you can share your finances. Everybody's family is a little bit different. Whether both spouses work or one spouse works, it can all be a little different. But something that shouldn't change is that everything that you make as a family goes into one pot. And then out of that pot is your budget. You have everything set aside for things from groceries, house, the kids, the list goes on. Now, I've also seen and I understand why this problem still persists. It's because people mismanage money. You may have a spouse that is mismanaging the money. A great way to unify your money but still have control over it is an idea called guilt-free spending. This is another idea that my pastor actually gave me that he practices with his wife. Out of their budget, they both allocate an even amount to guilt-free spending, and it gets moved into then a separate account. From there, whether it's $50 a week or $300, whatever your budget allows, that money goes into an account where either spouse can then go spend it on whatever they want. If you need help setting a budget for your family, please message us. We would love to spend time with you helping you set a budget. Follow us to develop your family's financial health and share this video with another family you love.